Have you ever wondered where the aluminum in your everyday products comes from? It all starts with bauxite. Bauxite, a reddish-brown rock, is known as the main raw material for producing aluminum. This naturally occurring mineral is primarily found in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world, like Australia, West Africa, and the Caribbean. Now, you might not have thought much about this unassuming rock, but it's the cornerstone in the production of one of the most widely used materials on the planet. Aluminum, that shiny, lightweight, and versatile metal, owes its existence to bauxite. The journey from bauxite to aluminum is quite fascinating, and it kicks off with the conversion of bauxite into another substance known as alumina. This transformation is the first step in the aluminum production process, and it's as intriguing as it is vital. So, let's uncover how this transformation takes place, shall we? To convert bauxite into alumina, we use a process known as the Bayer process. This is a fascinating procedure, starting with the crushing and mixing of bauxite with a solution of sodium hydroxide. Imagine it like preparing a thick soup, where our main ingredient is bauxite and sodium hydroxide is the seasoning. The bauxite doesn't just dissolve into the solution, instead, it needs a little push. This push comes in the form of high temperatures and pressures, transforming the mixture into a slurry. Now, this slurry isn't something you'd want to dip your spoon into. It's actually ready to go through a process called digestion. Think of digestion as a magic trick where the aluminum oxide in the bauxite separates from the rest of the mixture, but hold your applause because this digestion process separates the aluminum oxide from the bauxite, but we're not done just yet. With the aluminum oxide separated, the next stage of the Bayer process comes into play. This stage is known as clarification. Imagine a chaotic, muddy slurry full of impurities and unwanted particles. The goal here is to make this slurry as pure as possible. This is achieved through filtration, a process that separates the solids from the liquids, effectively removing the impurities. The result? A cleaner, clearer solution with a high concentration of aluminum oxide. But we're not done just yet. This liquid is then transferred to what we call precipitation tanks. These are not your ordinary tanks. They're specially designed to facilitate the formation of alumina crystals, something that is crucial to the production of aluminum. It's a complex process, but it's all part of the journey from bauxite to alumina. And with the clarification stage complete, we're one step closer to our final product. In these tanks, alumina crystals begin to form, but we still have one final step. The final stage of the process is where the magic really happens. We're now at the threshold of a spectacular metamorphosis. Here, we introduce our alumina crystals to an incredible dance with heat, a process we call calcination. This is the grand finale of the Bayer process. Picture this. The alumina crystals are gently placed in kilns where temperatures soar to over 1,000 degrees Celsius. It's a fiery ballet of transformation, where every twirl and pirouette in the heat is meticulously choreographed. The intense heat plays a crucial role, acting as a purifier. It waves goodbye to any lingering water molecules, leaving us with nothing but pure, unadulterated alumina. The result? A gorgeous white powdery substance so far removed from its original form, it's hard to believe they are one and the same. And there you have it. From a raw, reddish-brown stone to a white, powdery substance. That's the journey of bauxite to alumina.